Semrush is the online visibility management and content marketing SaaS platform. Our message: the best marketers enjoy and love what they do. Semrush ensures marketing professionals always have time for creativity and experiments, while we take care of data. Semrush is the only software which enables marketing professionals to build, manage, and measure campaigns across all channels to improve their online visibility. Semrush is your digital team member, your analytics buddy, your mentor, your safety net, and a compass to new markets. Semrush Evolution. Back in 2008, Semrush started as a small group of SEO and IT specialists united by one mission: to make online competition fair and transparent, with equal opportunities for everyone. 12 years later, it evolved into a powerful platform that helps marketers all over the world grow their online visibility. Recognized success on several continents. Today, our software helps companies of all sizes and industries to optimize their visibility across key channels and create engaging content for their users. And it's proved by recognition by our users as the best SEO software at a number. Get measurable results from online marketing. Do SEO, content marketing, competitor research, PPC and social media marketing from just one platform. See what's inside. Create content that ranks. No expert knowledge required. 1. Find topics that resonate with your audience. 2. Get actionable tips to create SEO-friendly content. 3. Optimize your content for engagement and organic traffic. 4. Use AI features to easily rewrite and improve your copy. Discover how to reach more prospects while spending less. 1. Find the best keywords for every PPC campaign. 2. Monitor your competitors' ad copies and landing pages. 3. Optimize your advertising spend at a local level. 4. Analyze Google Shopping ad campaigns. Streamline your agency processes for growth. 1. Get quality leads regularly. 2. Automate client reporting and pitching. 3. Create white-label client portals and share project progress details. 4. Manage the entire client workflow with CRM. Grow organic traffic with our complete and easy SEO tools and workflow. Semrush is like a keyword research tool, Google Trends, Moz, Hootsuite and similar web in one. With the size of our SEO databases and speed of our backlink crawler, imagine what you can achieve if you have the insights your competitors don't. Learn more. Our CEO will eat his hat. If you find another tool that lets you do all these things. 1. Access over 24 billion keywords for 130 countries. 2. Run in-depth website audit based on 130+ checks. 3. Get recommendations to improve your content to increase search rankings. 4. Track and analyze competitor websites and marketing strategies. 5. Create and track your PPC campaigns. 6. Draft, schedule and post content on social. 7. Create and schedule white-labeled or branded reports. Here's why marketers Semrush. I've been using Semrush for 7+ years now and heavily rely on it to help me move whatever site I'm working on to the top of Google. Casey Camilleri Marks, Digital Marketing Director, Enelite Software. What I appreciate most about Semrush is that it covers all areas of search with its tools, so I can have a 360-degree view of my projects. Esther Gimenez, Senior SEO and UX Consultant, Analect, Omnicom Media Group. If you ask an agency to deliver 10x organic search growth through content, they will assign a large team to your project. Our content team, in contrast, runs activities with Semrush without having an army of people specialized in SEO. Fabrizio Ballerini, responsible for SEO, TransferWise. When it comes to pure value, Semrush wins. That's mostly because you get a fully featured SEO software suite and Google Ads software for the same monthly price. Brian Dean, founder, Backlinko. We chose Semrush because the keyword tracking was much more accurate than our previous tools and the interface was very intuitive. Freddie Hunt, Director of SEO and Content Marketing, OneUpWeb. There is a direct correlation between using Semrush, being focused on SEO, and the sheer growth that we've had. Our organic traffic was up by 230% in 2019.